What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So we have here Chloe Redondo, one of my favorite underrated artists. So ano siya, sumali siya 'di ba bago lang sa The Clash, and I think she won the first runner-up. So marami na siyang sinalian, The Voice. I think she also did a Idol Philippines. I don't know if she was able to join Tawag na Tanghalan though, but yeah, definitely she joined The Clash, and unfortunately, she fell short and was not able to win the show. But regardless, so she already proved herself as a great vocalist and a potential superstar pagdating sa kantahan. So, i-react natin si Chloe Redondo. I miss Chloe Redondo kasi the last time I forgot when was the last time I reacted to her. So, ang kasama niya dito is si Hebron Echo. So, Hebron Echo also joined Tawag na Tanghalan, and I think The Voice Kids. Same lang din sila ni Chloe Redondo. So, marami silang nasalihan. And I think I've reacted to Hebron sa dati. May isa siyang video na nag-viral na marami akong followers sa Facebook na talagang nag-send sa akin ng link to react to Hebron. And then after reacting to that, after a few months, nakita ko siya na lumalabas na siya sa recommended videos na sumali na pala siya ng The Voice. So anyway, ito ay Niebe by SB19. So this is just a cover, and I'm very excited kasi alam naman natin na 18. Di man ako very fanatic, but I'm definitely an 18 at heart, okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video, and you can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram if you want, okay? So, let's begin. Let's go. Ganda nung harmony. Okay. So, okay, that was good. Okay, that was very good. The clarity was there. Ito lang yung concern ko kasi si Hebron kasi is bata pa and his voice is not yet really established kasi when he age more, no, a few years from now, mag-iiba yung boses niya. So, hindi pa talaga yun yung boses niya. So, medyo si Hebron, yung boses niya is quite premature for me, no? So, yung pagkakanta niya, okay naman. Okay talaga, no? May boses talaga yung bata, marunong kumanta. But the thing is, because it was still premature, no, in a sense, and si Chloe, yung boses niya is mature na, very established na. And her voice is also very powerful. So, there are parts na parang kinakain ng boses to Chloe, si Hebron, yung boses ni Hebron. Okay? So, parang na-overpower. Alam ko naman hindi yan parang intentional. But, the thing is, yung quality kasi, no, medyo, buong-buo na kay Chloe. Very mature na. Established na. The way siya mag-belt, no, alam na niya yung modulation. She has all that already. No, yung mga fundamentals on how to be a belter. So, sometimes, no, if you listen to it again, may mga parts doon na parang na-overpower ng boses si Chloe, yung kay Hebron. But individually, they were able to give a good delivery, and it was clear. No, it was clear. I love the harmonization. I love the support that Chloe did all throughout the song. No, sinuporta niya si Hebron because we all know Hebron is still bata pa, and he's still learning. He's still in the process of you know, being better as a vocalist. And again, Hebron has all the potential to be a great singer. But yun nga lang yung comment ko, it was quite, you know, there were parts na parang na overpower ni Chloe. But overall, it was a good cover naman. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the One Piece out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.